Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix keyboard keys working as shortcut windows. First method is press Windows and Alt keys. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Keyboard. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboard, right-click keyboard, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboard, right-click keyboard, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall, click Yes to restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.